Okay guys, I got this package from SkinProud and I was about to test it out for just TikTok because usually this is what I do, but I thought you might want to see this too, so here I am doing so. Well, some of the products, some of the new products, to be honest, I've been really loving SkinProud products and I'm gonna show you what I use now. I almost finished this face wash, you see a tiny bit left. Amazing. Love it. This one is called Velvet Cloud Cleanser Whip Mousse Cleansing Foam. Really love it. Highly recommend. And also almost finished, that's how much I love it, is the SkinProud Bright Eye Fermented Pomegranate Gel Cream. Okay, back to this package. Let's see what we have in here. So I got 3 products from what I see. Everyday Jelly Moisturizer with Hyaluronic Acid Complex. Love it, especially for summer. The more moisturizing, the better. I have oily skin if you don't know this yet, and super sensitive, acne prone, rosacea. I actually healed my rosacea. Like everyone says you can't heal your rosacea, but if you watch my videos from 2 years ago, my rosacea was like in a worst possible state, and look now, like I don't have any makeup on. Like I healed that, right? If you want a video on that, let me know. I'll try to make it what I did and how it all looked. Then this cream, what they say is 4-part hyaluronic acid complex. Restore, revitalize, rehydrate, renew. Okay, let's try this on. Ooh, it's definitely gel-like. Like we see, it's like gel-like. Oh my god, it smells amazing. I can't tell you what smell it is, but it smells amazing. Like, smells fresh, not irritating or anything. Okay, under the eyes. We want this area to be hydrated, right? I think I put far too much cream. Okay, let's go to neck. So far, really like it. It feels extremely light. It says it's a gel-like moisturizer, and it definitely is. It's not a heavy cream that kind of, you know, you feel like it sits on the top of the skin. I applied so much, like you guys seen how much I put on, and it kind of just went into my skin, but it feels very moisturized. You guys see? I hope you see this glow, because yeah, my skin looks so glowing now. So another thing I have in here is a Everything Balm, a multi-use skin balm with nourishing coconut oil, with hydrating jojoba oil, antioxidant-rich vitamin E. It can be used for almost everything. Apply to areas if needed of some TLC. It's very thick. I wasn't expecting that. I thought it's gonna be more liquidy-like. My lips are extremely dry, as you see. So I'm gonna try some lip tears. Ooh, smells amazing. Oh my god. Smells just like super fresh. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh, I love it. Oh my god, it feels very moisturizing. Let's do a bit on the eyes. I'm gonna do a tiniest bit because it's a morning and I'm gonna wear makeup later. Wow. Before sleep, I can just imagine this being as the best under eye cream, you guys. Because it's just so super thick. Ooh, really liking this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use it as my under eye cream just before sleep. It's gonna be a use for this for me. Literally loving this. Let's try some on my dry hair ends because it says it's multi-use, so let's do it. Let's see this. Just my hair. Yeah, the ends are very dry. I actually love it. I have some excess left, so I'm just gonna use on my hands. I have some eczema on my hand, as you can see, so this will feel extremely moisturizing and needed. Yeah, love this. Okay, I am actually surprised about this little thing. It says Everything Balm, and it definitely is Everything Balm. One more thing left in here is called the Refresh Hydrating Face Mist. Refresh and hydrate tired skin with this pineapple scented facial mist. Formulated with hydrating Japanese rose water, refreshing aloe vera, and refreshing witch hazel extract, this superfine mist is essential for skin in need of a boost. This just sounds perfect for the hot summer days, just to like refresh your makeup and, you know, refresh your skin. Sounds amazing. Let's try. Oh my god, it smells amazing. It does smell like pineapples actually. My skin is absolutely glowing now. First impressions, definitely love it. Love it, it has a scent, but the scent is not irritating. Love it is vegan, cruelty-free, the packaging is recyclable, all the print is soy ink, the ingredients are good in it, and I've been using the SkinProud products already in the past and I've been absolutely loving everything. I had high expectations for this already before I tried this and it didn't disappoint, so thumbs up from me. Hope you guys found this video helpful and you enjoyed watching this. Leave a comment down below, let me know if you tried anything from SkinProud yet, if you love it or you hate it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye! Have a fantastic day guys, check it out!